Have you ever wondered what happens to your final paycheck when you leave a job, and what exactly should be included? It is a common question, and understanding your rights can make a big difference during a job transition. Your final employee paycheck is governed by a combination of federal and state laws, with state laws often providing more specific protections and requirements than federal regulations. This means the exact rules can vary significantly depending on where you work. The core mechanism behind these rules is ensuring employees receive all earned compensation in a timely manner after separation from employment, whether it is voluntary or involuntary. Federally, the Fair Labor Standards Act, or FLSA, generally requires employers to pay all wages due for work performed up to the last day of employment on the regular payday for that pay period. However, it does not set specific deadlines for final paychecks. This is where state laws step in. Many states have enacted laws that specify not only a strict deadline for when the final paycheck must be issued, but also what items must be included. State laws often dictate what constitutes final wages. This can include earned but unpaid wages, accrued unused vacation time, and sometimes even sick leave depending on state-specific policies. Some states, like California or Illinois, have very specific requirements for when the final check must be issued, often within a few days or even immediately upon termination. Other states may simply allow employers to pay on the next regular payday. Understanding this dual legal structure is key because state laws typically supersede federal laws if they offer greater protections to employees. To navigate your own situation, start by checking your state Labor Department website. Many states provide clear guides on final paycheck requirements, including deadlines and what must be included. If you have an employment contract, review it carefully, as some contracts might specify terms for final compensation that align with or enhance state minimums. Additionally, maintain thorough records of your work hours, vacation accruals, and any other benefits. A key insider detail to remember is that some states impose penalties on employers for late final paychecks, sometimes even requiring the employer to pay additional wages for each day the payment is delayed. This is often referred to as waiting time penalties, and they serve as a strong incentive for employers to comply with state deadlines. Also, be aware of state-specific rules regarding health insurance continuation, such as state continuation of health coverage, or COBRA, laws, as they often coincide with employment separation. Ultimately, knowing your state's final paycheck laws empowers you to ensure you receive all compensation you are rightfully owed after leaving a job. It is about protecting your financial well-being and making any job transition smoother and less stressful.